With the door mirror on the 5 Series, you do actually need to remove the door card, because you can get the tweeter cover off and even reach the bolts, but to get the wiring out you need to unclip it behind the door card. So remove the door card first. Remove the door card on the BMW 5 Series. Start by popping this cover off here, and behind the trim there's a T30 Torx to remove. Now at the front of the door, remove this little cover here and remove the screw. Now what's left holding the door card in position are some very strong clips. I started at this side and just got a couple released. The strongest clip is located about here. To continue and remove the mirror, you'll need to disconnect this cable here. If you're only disconnecting the mirror, then you won't necessarily need to remove the door card fully, but I have moved it out of the way for the purpose of this video. Once you've disconnected the cable, remove the 3 T30 Torx.